You helped, quietly. You gave, anonymously. You supported, without being noticed. And sometimes you wonder, does any of this even matter? If no one sees it? Allah says in Quran,
إنما نطعمكم لوجه الله لا نريد منكم جزاء ولا شكورا.
We feed you only for the sake of Allah. We desire from you neither reward nor thanks. This verse describes people whose goodness was invisible to the world, but priceless to Allah. They didn't wait for appreciation. They didn't expect applause. Because the moment people don't notice, Allah does. Every hidden good deed is protected from ego, protected from showing off, and multiplied in reward. The deeds done in silence are often the heaviest on the scale on the day of judgment. What feels unseen on earth is being recorded in the heavens. If Allah inspired you to do good without recognition, that itself is an honor. You were chosen to do it for Him alone. Comment, Ya Allah, you see me. Save this for days when your efforts feel invisible. Follow for Quranic reminders for sincere hearts.